Hey friends, today we're gonna draw another Pokemon.
Yeah, but first we gotta open up another pack.
Yeah.
We have this cool ultra premium collection, and we've already done one of these where we initially opened up the whole box.
Yeah.
But now it's time to open another. Oh, this doesn't open all the way. I thought it did.
Yeah.
I'm gonna break it. So go ahead and pick another pack, dude. Which one are you gonna do?
Let's do this one.
Okay.
I think that's this packs. Like this.
The new one?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's the code if you want to redeem it. There's only one person that gets it though.
Yeah. So let's move one to the back.
And flip it over and let's go through them kind of quick.
Okay. So basic energy, Charmeleon.
Ooh, that one's awesome.
Yeah. Whatever that is.
Milcery?
That's pretty cool.
I don't know. We're going to say these all wrong. I feel like I'm learning English.
Me too.
When we read these.
Lumbre.
Piplup.
Piplup.
Yeah. I like him.
Bramblegast.
Yeah. Bramblegast.
Archaludon.
We need Jack here. He's not here today. Dizzy Valley. Okay.
Bunari.
That's a trainer. Whoa! Whoa! That's awesome.
That's so cool.
Oh, look at all the artwork.
Yeah, that looks awesome.
It's like a full artwork.
Yeah, we got one more card.
We need Jack here because he would tell us whether or not this card is cool.
Yeah.
It looks cool.
It does look really cool.
I think we should draw this guy.
We should draw that guy.
You think so?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. Ambipom?
Ambipom.
Ambipom. Let's clear the cards off and we'll get our paper.
Okay.
All right, we've got our card that we're going to look at while we draw, and we have our markers and our paper. But our friends
don't have to use the same things.
Yeah, you could use whatever you have. Okay, let's first draw a circle for Ambipom's head. We're going to draw it about this big. We don't want to draw it too big because we need room for the big tail, which is also a hand. And he's got two hands, two tails. Okay, then inside of here, we're going to draw the face. We're going to draw an upside down V for the nose. Then we're going to draw oval for the eyes. And I'm also simplifying some of the details so that it's a little easier.
Yeah.
Now inside of each oval, we're going to draw the pupil. So I'm going to draw another oval, and we're drawing it on this side of the eye so that it kind of looks like he's looking at us. Mm-hmm. And then we can color in the pupil, but I'm also going to leave a little highlight. So I'm going to draw another oval inside and then fill it in, except for that highlight. The nose does have little extra detail. If we have room, we could add another small letter V, upside down V, and then connect them at the ends. Okay, now let's draw the crazy mouth. We're going to draw a big smile. Then we're going to draw another smile underneath it that matches. And then we can draw a curve to connect the top down to the bottom on both sides. Now for the teeth, we'll draw two lines in the middle. It looks like he has just a center tooth. I could be wrong because it's so small. I'm trying to, and then we'll just draw another line on each side. It's starting to look like him. I love it when we start adding details and it starts coming to life.
Yeah.
We're going to draw his funny hair on the top. And we can also draw a little curve here and one over here. Now for the monkey ears. I love that we drew Growlithe last time and he looked like a monkey, and now we're actually drawing a monkey. So we got a letter C over here and a backwards C over here. Then on this side, we'll draw part of an oval. And then on this side, it's a full oval, but I don't know if we'll be able to. Let's see if we can fit it kind of in there. Yeah. There we go. That looks awesome. Yeah. And then it's got these two banana shapes for his hair. Let's start right here, and we'll draw a big upside down U or rainbow line and another one over here to match. And then here, we're going to draw curving around, and then we're going to draw thicker in the middle, but then get closer towards the head. And then the same thing over here. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah. I love that our two drawings don't look exactly the same. They're both turning out awesome. And it's okay if our friends' drawings are looking different too, because the most important thing is
to have fun.
Yeah, and to
practice.
Practice. Remember to have fun and practice. All right, let's keep going.
Okay.
Maybe I should move it down here. It's a little easier to see than up here. Now let's draw the body. We're gonna draw it starting here for the neck. We're gonna draw a little curve and then an S curve coming back around the other way. And then for his foot, I'm gonna draw this, let's see, draw it curving down a little more. And then we're gonna draw an oval shape, but leave it open on this side so that we can get his little toes in there. Yes, okay. Now for the first toe, we'll draw it right here, and then the other one curving into it. Now for the rest of his body, let's draw, imagine it going behind the foot, and we're gonna draw it curving up, and to simplify it, we're just gonna go right into his chin. Okay, now for this first arm over here, we're gonna draw bending. We'll come out and then bend down. And then we're gonna draw it curving around and then back in to the armpit. Now on this side, we're gonna draw the arm a little smaller. We'll just draw a short line and then we'll come up close to the ear. And then we can curve around for the other side of the arm. And then I'm gonna draw it coming back into the armpit. Oh, and he's got a little belly right here. So let's draw a curve for the belly. Okay, now for his other leg, we're gonna draw it bending up and to the left. Then we can draw the other side of the leg matching. And then the foot, we're gonna draw it curving around and kind of making the same oval shape, but it's a little thinner. Yes, and then on this side, we'll continue up and then draw that first toe. And then we can connect the other toe in. Yes, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're ready to draw his tails. All right, we have Ambipom's head and also his body. Now we need to draw the two tails.
Oh yeah.
And hands, which are crazy big.
Yeah.
So we're gonna draw it right next to his ear, this first one. And we're gonna draw this letter C, which kind of looks like an oval. And I'm gonna draw it pretty close to the ear. Wow, it's gonna be huge. Almost the same size as the head. And then let's draw the three fingers. So first we'll draw one bending down. Ooh, I kind of drew it weird and big. But then we'll draw it curving in, back in. Okay, now for the next finger, let's just kind of do the same thing. We'll draw the first part of the finger. And I drew it bending. Then we're gonna draw it curving up and back in. Okay, now this other finger, I'm gonna draw it more 3D. We'll draw the other side of the finger, or the top of the finger. Then we'll curve around and then back into the hand, or tail. Now, in between the fingers, we're gonna continue this round shape. We're gonna connect in between. Yes. Okay, now we got this weird flower thing.
Looks like grapes on the side.
Grapes on the side, yeah. Let's draw the first one here. Then we can draw the next one right above it. And then this next one is kind of small, right by the ear. Then we're gonna draw two more on the other side coming down. So 1 and 2. Before we connect it into his body, he's got this little heart shape right there where it connects in.
yeah.
So let's draw, right here we'll draw a curve coming out and then 2 bumps back in. Okay, now we're gonna connect it. So let's start here and we'll draw the curve. Oh, I'm gonna start over here because I can't see where I'm going. So I'm gonna come down and then we'll connect into his back. Okay, and then let's draw another line right next to it to make it thicker and into the hand. All right, this is one weird Pokemon.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever seen this guy before. Now for this one, let's start way up here and we're gonna draw the first part coming around. And then we're going to draw the fingers. So we'll draw the first one bending down. Then we'll draw it curving back up and then connecting. All right, same thing. Bend. Then curve around and back in. Then one more, bend out and down, and then curve in and connect back. Okay, now for the little flower grape shape thing. we're gonna draw this really big one first, right in the middle. And then we'll draw another one connecting to the side of the hand. And then another one up here. And one more. Let's do another one on this side too. Okay, now let's draw the tail, and it goes behind the foot and then connects to his belly. So we'll start here, we'll curve around. We're gonna make this S curve to the foot. And then we'll imagine it going through the foot, connecting to his belly. Then one more line just like that, right next to it, into the foot and belly. Then this last little gap right here, we're gonna add another grape or petal shape. Yeah, we did it! We drew Ambipom. It's a weird Pokemon.
Yeah.
But we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
Yeah, this part we'll fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video and match our coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
All right, we did it. We finished coloring Ambipom, and he turned out really cool.
Yeah, he did.
It's a weird Pokemon with a weird name.
And weird tails.
And weird tails. He's 2 tails and 2 hands.
4 hands.
But he doesn't have hands or fingers for his real
yeah.
hands. So maybe these are his real hands.
Yeah.
You could pause the video to match your same coloring.
You could also add a background.
Yeah, it would be really cool if you finished your whole page like this card.
Oh, yeah.
With all these weird fruit and leaves.
Yeah, that'd be so cool. We hope you had a lot of fun opening and drawing Pokemon cards with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.